Hey, I'm Scott, and today we're going to be talking about Millwork's Fretwork wall panels. So what is a wall panel? Let's give a brief history real quick. So wall panels have historically been used as an architectural accent on a wall to dress up the room. Fretwork, on the other hand, describes a very ornate, intricate wall panel that involves lots of different angles, pieces, and joints. Typically, it's taken a skilled trim carpenter to install fretwork wall panels. At Millwork, we've been manufacturing DIY wall panel kits for some time. We decided it was now time to finally tackle the highly decorative and ornate fretwork wall panels and create them in a way that was easy for anyone to install. So we have developed over 60 different designs in different styles. From traditional, they can go in many different houses, applications, from a more contemporary geometric patterns, and then in more organic shapes with rounded and curved edges. Overall, we have a shape and style for any design house or room that you can think of. So fun fact, my wife and I actually chose this traditional design for our master bedroom in our house. It added a depth and texture to the room that was never there before, and the only thing that matters is my wife is really happy with it. For a bold, more eye-catching look, you can do one of two things. You can use our stain grade fretwork panels, or you can use our paint grade and paint them a contrasting color to your walls. Roofs come in different shapes and sizes. Knowing that, we created different sizes for each of our panel designs. We have small 8-inch panels all the way up to 24-inch panels for those larger rooms. One of the unique things about Millwork is we use lots of different materials. Our fretwork wall panels started out as PVC. What a lot of people don't know is PVC is a great paint grade material. It can be used exterior, it can be used interior. It lasts a long time. It works great in rooms that have a high moisture content, like your bathrooms, your laundry room, your entryways. Our PVC product took off so well that many of our customers started requesting it in a stain grade option. So we started manufacturing our panels in a maple, a cherry, a walnut, alder, oak, lots of different species and many more to come. So how in the heck do we actually manufacture this product? We precision cut this product on CNC machines. This allows us to get a perfect and consistent fit every single panel we manufacture. A little pro tip, during the manufacturing process, there's a lot of dust that's created. We do wipe down all of our products before we ship them, but as with anything, before you apply your finish, please wipe down thoroughly. Lastly, installation. Installation of this product is super simple. It's as easy as using a high quality construction grade adhesive on the back and finish nails. Let's wrap this up. Thank you for taking the time to learn about fretwork wall panels today. We appreciate it. We have a ton of different products. Please take the time to check out our entire collection and contact us today.